Hey, Sunshines. So this year we're using ALEKS objectives, and those are going to count as test grades. So it's really important that you make sure you have the correct topics done on time. So your first learning objective is due on October 2nd, and that's reflections and translations. So there are 18 topics in that objective, but that doesn't just mean do 18 topics. It means do the specific 18 topics that have gemstones when you go to them. So you go into the learn page to work on your topics. And then in the ribbon on top, it'll show a little gemstone that says goal topic. That means this is one of those 18 topics that counts. This one over here does not have a gemstone. This one is not one of the 18 topics. It does not count towards that goal. So when you do this topic, it'll still say 0 out of 18. The reason some of those topics appear is because some of your topics are locked. So this topic here has a little lock icon. This topic here has a little lock icon. That means I can't work on that topic until I do another topic before it. So before I can work on distance between 2 points in the plane, exact answers, I need to do finding distances between points that share a common coordinate given their coordinates. So this is kind of a simpler version of the same concept. This one's going for exact answers. This one's just going for concept. You can click on it and it'll take you to that topic. This was one of the ones that was not a goal, but you need to do it in order to access something else. So make sure that you're getting all of those topics done. For this one, it looks like it's going to take 25 topics for me based on my fake knowledge check. Uh, so there's 25 topics, including the prerequisites that are required to get to that goal. You might see a slightly different number because if you have if you have topics done in your knowledge check, you might have gotten credit for some of those and not have those prerequisites turning up. As always, if you ever want me to push an extra knowledge check to you, I can. Just let me know, and I'll send out a knowledge check. You can get credit for topics if you get them correct in the knowledge check. You can get credit for some of the topics. So if you're seeing a lot of prerequisite skills or something and you're overwhelmed, you can say, hey, miss, can you push me a knowledge check and see if that gets you any help. It doesn't necessarily. You might get questions that are related to different chapters, or you might get questions that you don't know how to do and end up not getting credit for topics, or even worse, losing credit for topics that you already did. So be very careful about requesting knowledge checks. Only do it if you're confident that you'll improve.